How to start and finish your thread without knots. Part 3. Away knot. Typically, when you start the thread for a completely new project, you make a knot and it stays on the back. Away knot method is also easy to do and it makes the back super clean and pretty. Here is how I do it. I personally would use it only when I'm starting in the area where there is no stitches around it to swipe underneath. Make a knot and find a spot 5 inches away from the area you want to embroider. Bring the needle from the front through the back so you can see that knot. This is temporary. Next, stitch your embroidery design as you normally would. When there is about 5 inches of loss left in your needle or you are done with the part of the embroidery, finish the stitch and bring the needle to the back. I usually make a loop and tie it into a small knot and then hide the ends of the thread under my stitches. Now you can carefully trim the floss close to the stitches. Now this end of the floss is finished. To finish the other end of this floss, I will go back to the away knot, I will carefully snip it and finish the thread the same way like I did previously. No knots and no loose floss ends. Away knot has a lot of advantages. It's a very secure thread start. Many professional embroidery books and teachers recommend this method. The knot is only temporary and it's removed at the end, leaving a clean, professional looking back. It's ideal where you are starting a completely new area, and it works with any number of strands and any type of stitch. I would mention only one disadvantage. It uses more threads than usual. Because the knot is placed 5 inches away, you sacrifice a smaller length of loss. So keep it in mind if you are planning to start with this method and cut a longer thread for this case. I hope my video tutorial was helpful for you. Give it a like and share it with your stitching friends. And if you know even more tips, feel free to share them with everyone in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. Download this free pattern on my website and practice those beautiful embroidery stitches. The link in the video description below. Subscribe for more tips and tricks about hand embroidery, and in my next videos you will learn more methods on how to start and finish your thread without knots. Watch this video next. I think you'll like it too. See you there!